today's video, excuse me, I'm going to share with you that I have my work today here at my home, and I am going to clean up my surroundings, and I am going to cut the weeds right there at the back of our house. So let's go, guys. I'm going to show you how labong our weeds is. There. And also here. Look at that. Our surroundings are so very dirty. I'm going to clean up right now because today is Friday, and we agreed with my daughter that we are not yet schooling because the weather is not feeling well. So what I am doing now is to clean up my backyard. Look at my plants. So I'm gonna clean this now. So that's my plants right there and there. Guys, the weeds easily to grow up because of the rain. It's raining here. That is why the weeds grow up easily. I just cut them last day. Then now they grow up again. So I need to cut them so that the snake will not coming into our house, because you know how dangerous the snake is. It's very dangerous, guys. So here is my daughter. Say hello, nak. Hi. She is washing the plates. My daughter is just 4 years old, but she knows how to clean up na. So I am very proud of my daughter because I am the one who trained her well. I train up her how to keep her clothes, how to fold her clothes, and how to keep her toys also. That's what her work here in home, in our house. I do not tolerate those tamadness. Yung tamad na bata, anak ko, ayaw ko nun. So I trained her as early as I could. That is why she is very good now, and as a mother, and she is also a girl. So what I am doing, she should also do that. So hi guys, we are preparing our hut because they are a little bit rainy.
This hat,
So
guys.
My daughter is the one who will take a video for me. So let's go, my love.
Hello. Hello, guys.
Hello guys. So my hands are very dirty. So I am just finish cleaning my backyard. So this is it guys. At least it is hayag na kay amo nang na ako nang nadalusan gyud. Even though na ay little bit rainy, wala jud gihapon siyang gihuman. So nara guys, how siyang gitapok didto kana siya. Ang gitapok diha nga akong dalos nga mga grass kay pag mainitan man na siya diha, the sun will direct there. So when it's already dry, I am going to burn that weeds. Yeah, dapat di ay. I just trimmed the grass so that it would be nice to see. So look at this guys. So this lot guys is not ours yet. It's not dili na siya amo pero ako la na siyang kanana ang gihinluan kay hugaw man ya duol ra sa among nataran. So that plant is the cassava plant. That is a cassava. Do you know what is the cassava? That is balanghoy here. So mao din siya ang boundary dinhi sa kanang sa yuta kana siya diha lain na siya og tag-iya. So kini diri mao ra puy amoa. Mana man ni siya sa grandparents sa akong na partner. So diri pud guys na kana siya wala siya gi-apil og haras kay kuan man na siya kinini ang ganas na siya niya ako mga lemongrass mag-replanting ko ana kay namaot na siya guys na namaot na tungod sa sigig uwan madaot kasi na siya. So that is all guys. Yeah, hapong gitapok dito ang mga sagbot uban sa bamboo tree kay pag mainit na mauga na siya ako na siya pong kana na ang dagkutan na siyang sunugon kay mahimo man na siyang fertilizer pod guys ug malata na siya kadto didto mahimo na siyang fertilizer nya nagplano man pug ko nga ako po tong i-replanting akong sibuyas nara akong sibuyas na maot jud guys na they are so tiny, they look so ugly. By the way, that kind of sibuyas guys is mudako na siya, dagko na siya dahon pero sad to say tungod sa kaawong diri wala siya naka-build sa iyang maayo nga dahon. Namaot siya. Awong manggod diri ambot asa ka na nako itanom. So naman po dito'y basak good dito. Have you seen that payag? Tangkal na siya sa baboy. That is the house of a pig. So ang dapit ana adto sa luyon niya basak na siya. Wala na natamni sa una. Nag-garden akong father and mother-in-law diha. They're planting vegetable there but sa niya karon wala na kay kanang nanagimulo si papa din sa si mama busy na pod. So I am planning to have a vegetable garden there too. Maybe not now but I need some person mangyud nga kauban diha magadalos to clean up there. Maybe my partner when he's not busy yet where do the cleaning there. We're going to cut the leaves, the weeds, then we're go planting there vegetables. So maybe sooner or later we can clean there. So abang-abang guys kay I'm going to have a video, next video, next video, maybe next video. I'm going to have a video that I am planting a vegetable right there. And first, we are going to clean that nabakante nga basak. So I know that Tita Naida is watching this video. So Tita Nides, mao na ni siya ang sitwasyon sa atong pili karon. So dara ang inyong patong. So nakautan day ko diri Tita Naida. Kana siya ang the baby bamboo is mautan na siya, pwede na siya mahimong vegetable diri. So lami kaayo. Sige migita na, pero sad to say now dili ron season sa patong, so wala joy baby nga bamboo din ha karon. So dili ko makangadto guys sa basak kay kanana ang kakaliguon ako, nangatol na jud akong panit, nangatol na akong kalawasan, mao din akong nataran. So amo CR dara, wa pa na siya tarong, pero at least na may kalibangan no. I'm just finish cleaning my backyard. So mani ang balay nila Kuya Kuda, guba na kaya wala na nagpuyo, si Kubi na lang, the dog of my father. Nya dara ang balay nila Papa. Nya diha mga breeding na siya, mga chicken nga game fighter. Nya dito na ibalay dito ilahan na ng lola. The parents of Tita Naida. Her channel is Wide Transit Farm. Open ba yun? Hello Tita Naida, shout out to you Tita Naida. And there is a house there, over there. Di kayo maklaro. So nara ilan ng digal. So that is my brother-in-law cooking there. Siguro malaag na siya. So ilan ng dagal din ila dire dili makita naisin. Ilan ng Joel, the masamong ni Merlin nga yuyusito. Then that house is also kang Rose Marie, the wife of kinsara to, kalimot ko sa iyang bana. Mana Elijah family na sila diha. Kami dire Elijah family to sila dito, so kami dire Marcos family me, from this house to there and also there. Ito pa sa Igbaw. So human ako, maligo na ko guys, katul na kayo ang lawas. Hugaw na ko kayo. Hugaw kayo ang kinabuhi sa Mangdadalos. So at least happy ta no, we are happy. So thank you for watching guys, love ya, thank you for supporting, please watch my video guys. So thank you for supporting me.